Welcome to Showcase Richmond. I'm Lindsay Martin. Davis & Green offers reliable generator solutions designed to keep your home or business powered during any outage. And today I'm joined by Customer Service Manager with Davis & Green, Jennifer Robinson. She's here to help break down what to look out for when buying a new generator. Welcome to the show.
Hi, thanks for having us. Super excited.
So we hear about generators failing during major storms all of the time. Why does that happen?
Well, it's pretty simple, but it's maintenance. We suggest that you have a maintenance done every year on your generator, but it is something that's easy to forget and that's easy to overlook. So when your generator doesn't work, it's typically because we haven't been out to make sure your battery is working, checking to make sure that there's no fuel that has clogged up in the filter. Things like that will make your generator stop working.
Right when you need it.
Right when you need it the most, yep.
What's a real example of a failure you've heard about here in the Richmond area?
A couple of weeks ago when we had some really bad storms, we had a customer in rural Hanover, right? So they need this generator to keep their home going. And they lost power, and it was a super simple reason. But of course it was terrible weather for hours and hours. So we were able to get out there, but it was a dead battery. So we recommend changing out that battery every 2 years. But this particular customer hadn't had a maintenance done in 2 years. So it was a quick fix, but there was an extended period of time where they were not getting the benefit of that generator.
Let's talk about installations. DIY, box store installations, are those a good idea?
Typically not. We see a lot of issues with wiring. We see a lot of issues where the generator may be undersized for the home, or the load shedding is not done correctly, and then your generator's not going to work. And what happens with these DIY, or like your buddy comes and installs it for you, or a big box, they're not there for the whole life of your generator. They're just there for the installation. But Davis & Green, we install it. We're going to do your maintenance every year, and we're going to take care of any issues that crop up. So we'll walk alongside you the whole lifespan of your generator.
And they're just not the experts that you guys are. You deal with this day in and day out.
Yeah, for sure.
What does a professional generator tune-up look like?
It takes about an hour and a half, and we're going to go through every single part of your generator. We're going to change the oil. We're going to change all of the filters, your air filter and your fuel filter. We're going to go down a list, like a 20-point list, and we're going to make sure everything's working great for you.
What if my generator seems fine? Of course, everyone says that until they need it and it doesn't work. But what if it seems fine? Do they really need that annual tune-up?
You really do, because when generators don't run all the time, right? So if you're not hearing the weekly test, that's a red flag. But even if you are, because they're only running 5 or 10 minutes a week, and could go months and months without a full run during a power outage, you could get to the place where your oil is like degrading and it's gunking up filters, and then it's not going to work. So we do recommend yearly maintenance, and it is required for a lot of your warranties.
Okay, well, tell us a little bit more about Davis & Green and just overall how you help homeowners stay prepared.
That's a great question. So we're really excited about our whole home handled package that has a discounted generator add-on. And so that's going to take all of your essential services, HVAC, electrical, plumbing, and generator. It's going to put it under one membership program that gets you 15% off service work, repairs, and we're just going to walk alongside you and make sure that you get that peace of mind that you need as a homeowner, that we've got your back.
How do people sign up for that?
It's super easy to sign up for. You can just give us a call at 804-231-9684, and one of our CSRs will walk you through the registration process, get all of your appointments scheduled out for you, make sure we have all the information we need so that we can help take care of your home the best way we can.
You guys are really about just being prepared ahead of time.
We are. Preparedness is key, especially like right now we're heading into hurricane season, right?
Yes.
So we are doing a big push to get homeowners to make sure they're taking care of their home systems, especially your generator if you have one.
Jennifer Robinson, thank you so much with Davis & Green for joining us today. You can find out more at dgelectrical.com or give them a call at 804-231-9684.